Bike check, V1. Starting off with the grips, I got ODI grips in green and no bar ends. I got a Odyssey brake lever, green linear cable, or Odyssey linear cable. Odyssey. Oh my god!
Did he just spit in your mouth?
He just threw sand all over me. Okay, Odyssey 4 bars. Okay.
Okay, stop now. I'm running out of battery.
Eastern stem, or stock stem. Okay. I got a Ken Creek integrated headset with a Eastern frame. I got a Eastern forks and an Odyssey 8-kin dirt tire, and then stock rims.
I don't have that much battery.
Blue waffle. And then I got green Colony pivotal seat, Odyssey pedals, and stock Eastern cranks, and another Odyssey 8-kin tire, and then stock chain and stock.
Oh my god, 8-kin.
Stock crank set. And that's my bike.